Today we're going to be unboxing my pre-production samples from the factory of my first 2 base layer pieces for right and 3/4. I have not seen these yet. I literally just cut open the box. We are checking out the t-shirt and the legging. So for the legging here, at the last sample, we had some issues with thread tension, which I can kind of feel we're still experiencing here. I'm afraid if I pull too hard, this is gonna pop, which I do not want. The ankles are much better though. And then we actually have on here the first round of labeling, which is super exciting, right and 3/4, made right here in the USA. So all of our wash instructions, all of the care, and then size, and our content is all going to be right there on that label. The next one, so we had a bit of a revision on the t-shirt because the neckline on the last one was way too tight. They kind of had put a separate piece in there as a facing instead of using an inserted piece, and this one is a binding, which is a little bit different than we wanted as well, but we'll have to see how it fits and check that one out. We also finally have labeling on here, same content on the fabrics, so we're lucky that we're able to use the labels on both. But yeah, next step is to measure, and then we'll get them on the mannequin and get them on some first wear testing.